I talk about collaboration. Our job is to renew organizations, and startups are brilliant tools for that purpose. Startups are brilliant tools for renewing the organization. They deliver innovations that have been designed together with customers. And it has been iterated together with customers, so that it's exactly what customers are prepared to buy. And the cultural change that the startups can create is amazing. And therefore, there is also a possibility to change the processes. There are plenty of brilliant startups that corporations can use as tools for renewing themselves. We've received applications from 56 countries. So even though there are brilliant startups in Finland, this kind of activities, they have to be global. Cultural change is needed, and the changes the top management wants to get done has to be communicated. And working with startups, running an accelerator or any other systematic approach to work with startups is a communication tool for also internally. So corporations need to understand that they have to renew themselves. Startups are good tools for that.